Here's a typical algebra question. 4 parts. Part A, simplify k to the power 18 divided by k to the 6. This might also be written k to the 18 over k to the 6. The rule to remember here is the rule of indices, that when we divide, we subtract the indices. So this will be k to the power of 18 minus 6, or k to the power 12. Be careful of the common error here of doing 18 divided by 6. It's not k to the power 3, it's k to the power 12. On to part B, an expansion. Every term in the bracket must be multiplied by 7f to the power 3. So first of all, 7f to the power 3 multiplied by f to the power 5. The 7 stays there. There's no other numbers to multiply the 7 by. That's a 1f to the 5, so it's 7 times 1. Now we have to multiply f to the power 3 by f to the power 5, and when we multiply, we add the indices. So that's 7f to the power 8. Then we have to multiply the 7f to the power 3 by the positive 3, so we get plus 21f to the power 3. And we're done. Factorising a quadratic. Often get this asked. We're looking at, so it's a typical 3-term quadratic with an x squared term, a minus 3x, and a constant term of negative 28. We're looking to factorise this into 2 brackets. There's an x squared at the front, so each bracket will start with an x, and this x times this x will generate the x squared. These 2 numbers, when multiplied, will give me minus 28. That means one is going to be positive and one is going to be negative to get the negative 28. And I'm looking for 2 numbers that give me negative 28. And also, when I add them, they generate negative 3, which is the number of x's. 28 could be 1 times 28, 2 times 14, 4 times 7, and that's the pair that we want. Because it's negative 3x, I'm going to want the minus 7 and the plus 4. And then if I expanded these brackets, I would get x times x for the x squared, x times negative 7 for negative 7x, plus the plus 4 times the x for plus 4x, which when simplified gives me a total of negative 3x, and then 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. That's that factorised. Hence solve this quadratic equation. Notice that the left-hand side of the equation exactly matches the expression that we just factorised. So let's rewrite it in its factorised form. X plus 4 multiplied by x minus 7 equals 0. If we multiply 2 things together and get the answer 0, that would only happen if one of the brackets was 0 or if the other one was 0. There's 2 situations which would make that the case. If x plus 4 is 0, x must be negative 4, and if x minus 7 is 0, x must be plus 7. And they're the 2 solutions.